Natural home remedies for burping. Ginger. Put 1 teaspoon of thin ginger slices in a glass of warm water. Cover and allow it to steep for around 10 minutes. Strain, give a little honey and fresh lemon juice, and drink it 2 or 3 times each day. Alternatively, you are able to have a ginger supplement. Talk to your physician for that correct dosage. Peppermint. Put 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves in a glass of warm water. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times each day. Chamomile. Put 1 chamomile tea bag inside a cup and pour 1 cup of steamed water regarding this. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Take away the tea bag and sip your chamomile tea. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times each day. Fennel. Chew 1/2 to at least 1 teaspoon of dryroasted fennel seeds after consuming meals to reduce belching and expel gas using your digestive tract. Also, add 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds to at least 1 cup of warm water. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink this tea 2 times daily. Holy basil. Chew 4 to 5 holy basil leaves gradually every day to avoid belching. You may also drink basil tea 2 or 3 times each day. To organize this teas, steep 1 teaspoon of basil leaves in 1 cup of warm water for around a few minutes. Strain, add honey, and drink it.